Hey, what's up guys? iSaurabh here. In this video, I am going to show you how to convert image to PDF using your iPhone. I have to convert this image into PDF. So click on save icon in left down corner. Scroll down. Click on save to files. Save it to files app. Now go back to home screen. Open files app. Here I got that image. Now click on three dots on top right corner. Click on select. Select image which you want to convert into PDF. Again click on three dots in left down corner. Click on create PDF. PDF file of this image has been created. Now you can also open it in Books app. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel.